Welcome to back with me. At this time, I will explain the material that I have created. And the material 1. What is a computer? Not many people use a computer, but don't know what a computer is. Next slide. Understanding computer. A computer is an electronic device that can receive data, process it, and then produce information. This process is carried out based on the commands we give through software. For explain, when we type in Microsoft Word, we produce input via the keyboard. The computer processes it and display the result on the screen. 1. A computer is an electronic device used to process data based on the instruction given. 2. A computer can receive input, process data, store information, and produce output. 3. Used is various file, education, business, technology, entertainment, and order. And next slide. Function of computer. Computer have various function, non-order than this for function. Function 1. Input. Input is the processing of entering data into computer. For explain with a keyboard, mouse, or scanner, this is the first step before the computer can work. Function 2. Process. The data that has been entered will be processed by the CPU, which is the brain of the computer. The CPU will execute the commands that we give through the program. Function 3. Storage. After being processed, data can be stored. Temporary storage is in RAM, while permanent storage is on the hard disk or SSD, so the data can be resolved later. Function 4. Output. The final result is output. Output can be seen on a monitor screen, printed via a printer, or heard via speaker, depending on the step of data. Computer component. Computer component consists of two parts, namely hardware and software. One component, hardware. Hardware is the physical part of the computer that we can track. For example, CPU, the brain of the computer that processes of all data. RAM stores data temporarily while the computer is working. Monitor display output result. Keyboard and mouse, main input device. Hard disk or SSD, a place to store data temporarily. Computer component 2. Software. Software is a program that runs a computer. Without software, the hardware will not function. For example, operating system such as Windows, Linux, or Mac OS manage all computer activities. Application such as Microsoft Word, Chrome, or Photoshop used for specific tasks. Next slide. Types of computer. Computer also have their own types of name in their use of or form as follow. PC. Personal computer used in homes or office, usually consists of a CPU, monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Laptop or notebook, a portable computer that is easy to carry around. The battery can be recharged. Server, a computer that server requests from other computer on a network. Widely used in components, data and data centers. Supercomputer, a computer with incredible speed, used or research, whether for testing, aircraft simulation, and the order. Embedded computer, a small computer that is inside or other device such as a car, washing machine, or smart TV. Next slide. Conclusion. So computers are tools that really help human in working and communicating. It consists of hardware, software, and user, which is complete function, input, process, storage, and output. Computer can be used in many files and continue to develop over time. That's the explanation of the material ones. Thank you. In the first material, we discussed about what is a computer. The second material will discuss one of the computer component. What is it? Hardware. Hardware is a device, can be considered a hard component. Next slide. Definition of hardware. Hardware is the physical part of a computer, all the components that we can see and touch. Example include the keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU, and so on. Hardware function to carry out instruction from the software and is the main media, the contact that connects the user to the computer. Hardware is computer hardware that can be seen and touched physically. Hardware works together with software to carry out computer tasks. Without hardware, the computer cannot be used even if there is software. Next, hardware function. Hardware is divided based on its function, namely, 1. Input. Input devices are used to enter data into a computer, such as when we type or click. Process. This device process the data entered into information that can be used. Output. Display or output the result of a computer process, such as image on the screen or printer documents. Storage data temporarily RAM or permanently hard disk or SSD, so that it can be opened by research. Type of hardware. Hardware has various types of device with different functions. In the device, there are many functions: input, process, output, storage. Where work must be in accordance with the flow. Here are the type of device and their function. One function, input device, used to enter data and commands into the computer. Without input, the computer don't know what to do. Function 2, process device. This device work inside the computer are not always available. That process data from input so that it is ready to be displayed or storage. Function 3, output device. This device display the result of the computer work entered in visual, printer, or audio form. Storage. Function 4, storage device. Function 4, storage device. Storage the data, file, and information. Some are temporary some are permanent. Next slide, example of hardware combination. Explain when we create a document. One input we type using in the keyboard. 2. Process CPU and RAM work to process or type data. 3. Output the monitor display the writing we create. Storage. 4. Storage. Files are stored or on a hard disk or SSD. And conclusion. In conclusion, hardware is an important part of a computer that support all work function. Without hardware, the computer cannot run. Each device has its own role. Someone input data, process it, display result, and resort information. All work together so that the computer can be used optimally. For your attention, thank you.